Most people use Upwork to send proposals and wait for clients. But did you know there are some hidden features inside Upwork that can actually increase your chances of getting work, without sending more proposals? Today I'm sharing 3 powerful tools inside Upwork that most freelancers don't use, but you should. Let's get into it. Saved Search plus Job Alerts. Are you still searching for jobs manually every day? Stop doing that. Upwork has a saved search feature that lets you save filters for specific types of jobs. For example, you can search for Canva social media posts, filter by payment verified, fixed price, under $50. Backhand index pointing right, save that search. Now, Upwork will automatically send you job alerts every day based on that filter, straight to your inbox. It saves time and gives you first mover advantage. Availability Badge. A lot of freelancers are active, but their profile shows they're offline or unavailable. That turns clients away. Upwork has a feature called the Availability Badge, a small green lightning icon on your profile. Backhand index pointing right. When you turn this on, clients know you're available to work right now. This increases your chances of getting direct invites. Yes, it costs a few connects, but it's totally worth it if you want to get noticed. Project Catalog. Most people only know Upwork for sending proposals. But did you know Upwork also lets you sell fixed-price services like Fiverr? It's called the Project Catalog. Backhand index pointing right. You can list a ready-made gig like, I will design 5 Instagram posts for $20. Or, I will do keyword research for your blog for $15. Clients can search, find your gig, and buy it directly, without you sending any proposals at all. If you're a beginner, this is a great way to get your first client faster. So those were the 3 hidden Upwork features that can seriously level up your freelancing game in 2025. Heavy checkmark Saved Search. Heavy checkmark Availability Badge. Heavy checkmark Project Catalog. Start using them today and you'll notice the difference fast. Thumbs up like this video if you learned something new. Speech balloon comment, hidden gems if you'll start using these features. Bell, and don't forget to subscribe to Earnify Hacks for more freelancing and online earning tips.